I don't want you to be the guy who texts his mate in 2028 asking if it's too late to buy Bitcoin. 4 months ago, I told you that I was leaving this channel, and I did. But Bitcoin just printed the exact setup that I said I'd return for, so here I am. And today I'll tell you exactly why now is the perfect time to get back into crypto and where the life-changing opportunities truly are. A lot of it comes down to the 4-year cycles. We've seen Bitcoin bottom out in December of 2018, and then in 2022, it was November. And with us approaching Q4 of 2026, it's time to pay attention again. However, around 1 week ago on X, I shared the Wall Street cheat sheet explaining exactly where I believe that we are right now. I was expecting a slow bleed over the next few months, taking us to the low 50s. However, it's really not about trying to buy the exact bottom. I actually followed up on that post a day later, explaining that regardless of where the bottom is, I believe that it was a good time to be buying whilst price was 1, below the previous all-time high, and 2, below the 200 weekly MA. And I made it very clear that I won't be the guy who tries to deploy all of his capital at the very bottom. And of course, it goes without saying that this is not financial advice, because I can be wrong, and it's looking very possible after the last week of price action, where we've seen Bitcoin put in a plus 23% weekly candle, the biggest weekly candle since March of 2023. And then a couple of days ago, I shared this post where I explained that we could be seeing a very similar style of price action to the last bear market, where price was basically flirting with the 25k level. It was below it for a while, it finally broke through, it retested, and we could see something very similar to the 80k level this time around. But regardless of whether the bottom is in or not, it really doesn't matter, because there is still so much upside coming ahead of us. I mean, does it really matter if you bought at 60k or 70k when price is above 150k? You are still up big. Ultimately, timing is what creates the opportunity, and like Ansem says here, all of the major cryptos are likely to go 3 to 5x or more from this point over the next year or two. So you can simply buy these and log off, or you can get deep into crypto and find even more opportunities. I'm going to share a couple that I'm paying attention to right now. Now, the first opportunity is airdrops, because even if you don't have a lot of money, airdrops can still change your life. Last cycle, it was all about Hyperliquid, airdropping around $1.6 billion to their users. And that amount was when price was 10x smaller than it is today. So many people got 6-figure airdrops, and one guy even got a $4 million airdrop. I was told about Hyperliquid in 2023 and I decided to fade it, and I hate myself for that. But the point here is that one big airdrop can change your life forever. Luckily, I know this myself because I've still received other airdrops with peak values of over $250,000, including the likes of Pengu and Gravity. And the one that I'm focusing on right now for this coming bull cycle is another DEX, and it's called TXFlow. TXFlow is another perp DEX, just like Hyperliquid, and the beauty of it here is that it's very similar in the fact that it has absolutely no VC backing. This means no seed rounds, no private rounds, and nobody dumping on your head. And it also means that the community are more than likely going to receive a larger allocation. We're that early right now that points haven't even been announced. We are pre-points, with them being strongly rumoured to drop very soon. Will it be as big as Hyperliquid? In all honesty, probably not. Hyperliquid got the first mover advantage, but at the end of the day, if this airdrop ends up being 70k instead of 200k, I'll still take it. If you want to sign up and join me trading on TXFlow, I will leave my link down below in the description, where you'll get 5% off your fees, as well, of course, as being one of the early users of the platform and increasing your chances of a bigger airdrop. By using the link, you'll also get permanent access to my Discord channel, where I'll be sharing my trades in real time, my portfolio updates, doing chat requests for you guys, live streaming, and much more. You'll also be able to chat and lock in with like-minded people in the crypto space. So if you want to join the Discord, the link again will be down below. All right, so the next opportunity is Memecoins, and love them or hate them, they're not going anywhere. Let's take a look at Pepe from the last cycle. And again, this is another one that I faded at a $20 million market cap. It ran to a peak value of almost a $10 billion market cap. So in theory, I missed a 500x on paper. Luckily though, I caught Nero shortly after, running booming from a $5 million market cap to $1 billion once it got listed on Binance. So although I miss Pepe, you've just got to keep clicking. Now it goes without saying that most meme coins do go to zero, so you should only be investing what you can afford to lose. But for this coming cycle, I do think that Ansem is going to perform very well just because of the attention that he gets. And I'm also paying very close attention to Robinhood chain that's just launched with the likes of Cashcat and Stonkbroker leading the way. But if you don't want the stress of trying to catch every single individual meme coin at a very low market cap, because it is hard work, and like I said, most of them do go to zero, your best bet is just to buy some Pump Fun and chill. Now Pump has literally pumped so hard recently, so it might not be the best place to be buying right now, but you may want to consider looking out for dips, setting alerts and building a position. As retail investors continue to return to the space and we see people continuing to speculate on meme coins, it's only going to mean one thing for Pump Fun. I just think it's the best way to get indirect meme coin exposure without the stress of being rugged every day. Now, we never know for sure which narrative is going to run the hardest or which coins are going to pop off until it's too late and until we're looking back at it in hindsight. The only thing we can really do is take our best guess and have conviction. In the past, we've seen it with DeFi Summer, NFTs, meme coins, airdrops, the list goes on. And who knows, the next big runner might not even be a thing yet. But paying attention now before retail come flooding back in and crypto is dominating every news headline is the best thing that you can do. You need to ensure that you're not the guy asking if Bitcoin at 140k is a good buy. So lock in right now like we are doing in the Discord and find the opportunities. From here on out, there'll be 2 videos going out every week on this channel. It's good to be back and I'll see you soon.